If you're looking for an extreme rugged smartphone with a massive battery, a built-in projector, and durability that puts most regular phones to shame, chances are you've come across the Unihertz Tank 5 and the Tank X. At first glance, they seem very similar, because both follow the same philosophy: incredible battery life, a nearly indestructible build, and features designed for outdoor adventures or demanding work environments. But once you look a little closer, some important differences start to appear, and those differences can make one model a much smarter buy than the other, depending on how you plan to use it. And that's exactly what we're going to find out today. In short, if budget isn't a concern, I'd personally go with the Tank 5. It feels more modern, more powerful, and more complete overall. But if the price gap is still significant when you're ready to buy, the Tank X could offer a value for money package that's very hard to